United States, Donald John Trump.
I, Donald John Trump, do solemnly swear
that I will faithfully execute
that I will faithfully execute
the office of President of the United States.
the office of President of the United States.
Congratulations, Mr. President.
As a nation, we now pray for our president, Donald John Trump.
We're not enemies, but brothers and sisters. We're not adversaries, but we're allies. We're not foes, but we're friends.
January 20th, 2017 will be remembered as the day the people became the rulers of this nation again. The time for empty talk is over. Now arrives the hour of action. From this day forward, it's going to be only America first. America proud again. We will make America safe again. And yes, together, we will make America great again. Thank you, God bless you, and God bless America.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here, and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.